The LEPOP 5-in-1 STEM robot kit offers children a variety of building experiences with its ability to transform into 5 unique models, including a bulldozer and a triceratops truck, which stimulates creativity and imagination. With both remote control and mobile app functionalities, this kit provides an engaging experience through features like driving simulation and STEM programming, making learning interactive and fun. Designed to inspire STEM education, the kit is compatible with most similar bricks on the market, encouraging logical thinking and problem-solving skills as kids build and repair robots. The robot kit is made from high-quality ABS material and meets rigorous safety standards, ensuring that children play safely with non-toxic and odorless components. This educational set is ideal for a wide age range, making it a perfect gift for occasions such as birthdays and holidays, as it enhances creativity and exploration. Manufactured by Shantou Chihui Toys Industrial Co., Ltd., the kit is a testament to quality and innovation in educational toys, providing endless hours of entertainment and learning.